Are you interested in working in New Brunswick? We met this family who moved from Africa to New Brunswick through the New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot Program. This program is still open, so take advantage of this golden opportunity and move to Canada. The Critical Worker Pilot Program offers an exciting opportunity for individuals to fill labor shortages in specific sectors of the province. Through this pilot program, eligible candidates can obtain a work permit and gain valuable work experience in New Brunswick. In this video, we will explore the different facets of the Critical Worker Pilot Program, including its eligibility requirements, benefits, and how to apply. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you. What is the Critical Worker Pilot Program? The Critical Worker Pilot Program is an initiative by the government of New Brunswick to address labor shortages in specific sectors of the province. It allows employers to hire foreign workers to fill vacant positions that cannot be filled by Canadian citizens or permanent residents. This program provides an avenue for individuals to work in New Brunswick and contribute to the economy's growth. Benefits of the Critical Worker Pilot Program. The Critical Worker Pilot Program offers several benefits for individuals interested in working in New Brunswick. Here are some of the advantages. Work experience in Canada. This program provides an opportunity for foreign workers to gain valuable work experience in Canada. The experience gained through this program can enhance the individual's CV and open up future employment opportunities. Pathway to permanent residency. The Critical Worker Pilot Program can serve as a pathway to permanent residency for eligible candidates. After working in New Brunswick for a specified period, individuals may be eligible to apply for permanent residency through relevant immigration programs. Integration support. The government of New Brunswick provides integration support services to help newcomers settle and adapt to life in the province. These services include language training, employment counseling, and assistance with housing and healthcare. Improved quality of life. New Brunswick offers a high quality of life with affordable housing, excellent healthcare, and a safe and welcoming community. Working in New Brunswick allows individuals to enjoy a balanced lifestyle and access various recreational and cultural opportunities. Eligibility requirements. To be eligible for the Critical Worker Pilot Program, applicants must meet certain criteria. Here are the key requirements. Work experience. Applicants must have at least 1 year of full-time work experience in the past 5 years in the occupation related to the job offer. The work experience should be in a similar role to the one offered by the employer. Education. Candidates must have a high school diploma or equivalent education. Some employers may require additional education or certification specific to the job. Language proficiency. Applicants must demonstrate proficiency in either English or French. The required language test scores vary depending on the occupation. Intention to reside in New Brunswick. Candidates must intend to reside in New Brunswick and be committed to becoming a permanent resident of Canada. Job offers from an eligible employer. Candidates must have a valid job offer from an eligible employer in New Brunswick. The job offer should be for a full-time, permanent position in an eligible occupation. How to apply for the Critical Worker Pilot Program. If you meet the eligibility requirements, you can apply for the Critical Worker Pilot Program. Here is an overview of the application process. Find an eligible job. Start by finding an eligible job offer from an employer in New Brunswick. Ensure that the job offer meets the program requirements and is in an eligible occupation. Based on the participating employers, you may find jobs in one of these industries: manufacturing, food production, agriculture, fisheries and aquaculture, forestry. Visit the career sites of the following eligible employers and search for jobs in New Brunswick: Cooke Aquaculture, J.D. Irving Ltd, Groupe Savoie, Groupe Westco, Imperial Manufacturing Group, McCain Foods Ltd. You can also create a profile for future opportunities. Submit your application. Complete the application form and provide all the required documents, including proof of work experience, education, and language proficiency. Pay the necessary processing fees and submit your application to Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada. The processing time may vary, so it is important to be patient during this period. Obtain a work permit. If your application is approved, you will receive a work permit. This permit allows you to work in New Brunswick in the specified occupation and with the designated employer. The Critical Worker Pilot Program offers an excellent opportunity for individuals to work in New Brunswick and contribute to the province's economy. Seize this chance to work in New Brunswick via the Critical Worker Pilot Program and explore its numerous benefits. Good luck with your application.